we'll let the eyes dry and set up good. So we get the eyes are in. You see the back plaster in there, which holds it in. So what we're going to do is we want to hook the mouth up, make sure the mouth's working okay. And we're going to use some paste wax on this. And what we'll do is put a little on the sides here, a little here, so it doesn't catch. We'll also put some on the inside here. After all that painting, you might need to sand that down a little bit in here to make it a little smoother. And what you can do is use a Q-tip every so often to reach inside. Put some wax on it. And like I said, it's just Johnson's paste wax is what I use. So we want to get the mouth hooked up, make sure the mouth's working properly. So we're going to start with attaching our string now. Remember, it's 24-inch piece of nylon string is what I'm using. So we'll tie that off. And then what I'll do is I'll put a staple in here so it doesn't come unraveled on us. That. We have our 3-inch spring that we're going to use. We'll get this attached. This is very important that you make sure this mouth's working properly before you seal it all up and put the wig on it. Attach our spring to the top of the head. Line up our holes. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I think we're okay. We're also going to take a little wax and we'll put it on our dowel up here. This just helps your string to slide better. Like I say, periodically you're going to have to take the head off and do this if you find it catching. I haven't had that happen yet. It should take quite a while before it was to get bad on you or start to catch on you. Give it a test here. And that's working fine. It's not catching on anything. Then we'll take our 1-inch ring that we have for this, and like I said, I used a ring lever because I can find it works good with either hand, and whether you want to use your thumb or your forefinger, either one works great. So I always leave this string long so you can adjust it when you get it if you want to make it shorter or longer. So now we got our head back together, everything's working good. So we'll put the back of the head on, and then we'll be able to attach our wig that we're going to use. Thanks for watching.